Hello everyone, I am Manushree, the speaker for today. First of all, I would like to thank Nilofer ma'am for giving me this opportunity. So guys, from past 9 days, every speaker has been speaking on a particular passion or skill of theirs. But today I'll mostly be speaking about how this passion and skill influences our life in a long term and how this helps to build up a career. We all know life isn't easy. Life is going to be difficult, but in situation as such too, it's the passion that keeps us going. For example, in this lockdown, we can't go out, we can't meet our friends. But it's a passion like dancing, sketching, whatever you like that you're passionate about, it's helping you to get through the lockdown. So basically the topic for today is how these skills, passion help us in a better way than anything would. Your passion is the strongest weapon that you have. Now, the actual question is, what is passion? Passion is anything that helps you get up early in the morning. Passion is something without which you would feel you're incomplete. Passion is something that makes you happy. Like I love to do dance. It makes me happy. I love to learn something new. I love to play a new instrument, or I would love to learn a new language. That's something that makes me happy, and that's something I am passionate about. Everybody wants a happy, peaceful, successful life. There are various ways in which they can achieve this. But according to me, the easiest and the best way is to follow your passion. Why so? Because once we follow our passion, we are happy to do the work we are doing. I listed a few things which will actually clear this, that why following one's passion leads to success rather than just doing something. In long run, we all have to do a 9 to 5 job. Now, doing a 9 to 5 job where you are not happy, when you don't want to do something that you're passionate about, you really think you want to work. There are various people that I have come across. They feel that they would rather choose a different career than doing the same 9 to 5 job that they're not happy doing. Guys, we just have one life. Let's use it to our best and let's work on it now so that in future we don't be like them who are regretting to do something. They have put a lot of efforts to be there. When we follow our passion, we are creative. We put efforts, and it's not just the efforts. We actually come up with ideas that is creative and that helps us to be different from the others. So following one's passion helps them to be creative, helps them to be hence successful. So following your passion can be the best thing that you can do. When we choose a career that we are passionate about, what really happens is we are not obstructed by anything. We are ready to give 100%. We are ready to go beyond 100% and do that extra work. We are ready to come up with those creative ideas to make our work beautiful and successful. We are actually appreciated by people for our work done. So a passionate career always helps a person to achieve rather success than just sitting behind and idealizing that I would have done that. You can relate more to the work and come up with better ideas. Hence, you can be successful in a really amazing way. Coming to skills and how skills influences our life. There are various skills which are important not just for the career basis but for our personal self too. For example, communication. Now, if I want to keep an idea in front of my boss and I can't communicate well, so how is my boss going to understand what my actual idea is? So for that, I need to have a very good communication skill. I should be able to make him understand what my point is. In the same way, communication also include your listening habit. When my boss speaking to me or any of my colleague is speaking to me, I should be ready to hear that person, what that person really wants to tell me rather than just speaking my own. So now the communication skill is one of the most important skill which every person should have. Second is problem solving skill. Now tell me, you are in a firm or even in a personal life, you have a problem and you don't know how to solve a problem. Things wouldn't work out for you. You have to have a way to look through the problem and solve it. In any firm you work or in any career you choose, you will have to have a problem solving skill. You will have to know how to solve the particular problem, how to go through that problem, how to ask help from someone. You can sure ask somebody for help. You just need to solve the problem in any way out. So problem solving skill is one of the most important skills that we should all have. Third comes the teamwork. We are all quite sure about it that we cannot work alone. Be that be an entrepreneur too, he also requires somebody to work with, or he has to work with somebody maybe under him. But yeah, we all need a team and we work in a team. Now, if we don't know how to work in a team, how will any activity happen? For examples, even that we have organized, we did require a team which could actually add up all the things, and then we could do a successful event. So for any event, for any part of our life or any career we need a team, and we need to know how to work in a team, because working in a team is very important. Next is initiative. See, in a team we can work, but there comes a time when we need to take some initiative, when we need to come out, take some initiative and actually show others that this is how we need to do, and rather make them follow us. Sometimes initiatives are really important. It could actually add up to your career too. For example, you're working in a firm and you take an initiative. Obviously, you're standing out of the crowd. You're the face of the crowd, and so it's gonna add up to you. So learn to take initiatives. Don't just go behind or always hide behind something. You might not be good at it. You might be bad at few things. Accept it. Acceptance is one thing that you need to know. But yes, at the end of the day, you should take initiative. Once you might be successful or you might fail at times, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be fruitful. I would like to end this video by saying just one point, that working on yourself makes you the best possible you. I would say that you should all come out of your comfort zone. You should come out of your comfort zone, try new things. For example, if you don't try a musical instrument, how would you know you're not interested in it? Maybe you're best at it, maybe that is something that makes you happy, but you never tried it. So we should all try to inculcate new habits. We should try new things. We should experience new things. We might not like it and we don't have to do it. We can just leave it there. We have not to continue it. But we should not stop ourselves from trying new things. When we try new things, we are helping ourselves. We are helping in shaping ourselves. We are helping us to become a person which people want to see and which we really want to become. You have to try new things to know what you're passionate about, and only then you can know what you're passionate about. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope I was helpful. Thank you.